So hi and welcome to this course. I'm so excited to have you here. In this course, I will show you how you can become more assertive and how you can deal with conflicts in your personal life and in your professional life. So let's jump right into what you will learn in this course. So in this course, you will learn how to become more assertive and how to become more confident. Maybe at work or maybe in your personal life, you would like to become more confident, you would like to become more assertive, you would like to share your ideas, share your opinions, you would like to get more out of life. And I would like to show you how you can express yourself and just become more assertive in life in general. You will also see how you can speak up, how you can share your ideas and opinion. Maybe during a team meeting, you would like to just express your ideas, your opinion. You would like to just share your opinion with people around you. You would like to share your ideas. You would like to speak up, which I will show you the best communication techniques on how you can do that. I will also show you how you can express what you want and how you can express your rights. You have rights, you have needs. There are things that you want in life. And I would like to show you how you can express that so that there are higher chances that people will be influenced by it and they will do what you want. So I will show you how you can express what you want. I will also show you how you can provide helpful feedback. Maybe you are a team leader and you would like to influence your team and give them feedback that can really help them. So we'll see the best communication techniques on how you can do that. I will also show you how you can receive negative feedback. Let's say that someone tells you something that is negative and it's framed as feedback. How can you take this feedback? How can you deal with that? And how can you deal with the fact that someone told you something negative about you? So we'll see all of that. I will also show you how you can say no to people. Because maybe right now you have a hard time saying no to people. You're always saying yes. Yes, I can do this work. Yes, I can do that. And I will show you how you can learn to say no and people will still like you and respect you. I will show you how to deal with conflicts in your personal and professional life. So I will give you the best steps on how you can deal with any conflicts that will appear in your life. And I will also show you how you can prevent conflicts from happening. And I will show you how you can reduce negative emotions. Because maybe right now when you confront people, when you have conflicts with them, you don't feel really great. And I would like to share with you my best tools on how you can just feel great when you are interacting with people, almost all the time. So this is what you will learn here in this course. There is something that I really ask you to do, is please do the exercise and take some notes. Because if you just listen to what I say, you will just get some great information. But if you apply my tools that are really practical and you apply them to your situation and you write down some notes on how you could apply everything that I say to your situation, you will be able to get the results that you want. So let's jump right in.